Living in Red Deer, Alberta. Essential insights for 2023. As you consider a move to Red Deer, Alberta, you may find yourself asking important questions about what life is truly like in this city. Is it the right place for you and your family? What are the local amenities, community culture, and environmental factors that could impact your daily life? Understanding these elements is essential for making a well-informed decision about your future. In recent years, Red Deer has seen a variety of changes that have shaped its community. From shifts in the housing market to evolving healthcare options, each aspect plays a vital role in the living experience. Additionally, with the challenges posed by climate conditions and the need for recreational and social opportunities, it is crucial to have a clear picture of what to expect. In this article, we will explore 5 crucial aspects of living in Red Deer in 2023. We will delve into the current environmental conditions, assess the healthcare system, examine housing market trends, consider the nightlife options, and discuss municipal taxes. By providing a comprehensive overview of these topics, we aim to equip you with the knowledge necessary to determine if Red Deer is the right fit for your lifestyle and aspirations. Whether you are relocating for work, family, or personal reasons, understanding these factors will pave the way for a smoother transition and a more fulfilling life in this vibrant community. 1. Environmental conditions, understanding the smoky skies. One of the most pressing concerns for potential newcomers to Red Deer is the current environmental situation, particularly regarding air quality. Alberta has been experiencing an unusually high number of wildfires this year. This has led to smoky conditions that can significantly affect daily life. In recent months, Red Deer has seen fluctuating weather patterns. Last spring, the area experienced record rainfall, which was followed by an exceptionally hot and dry summer. The combination of these factors has contributed to the wildfires we are witnessing. While recent rainfall has provided some relief, the threat of smoke from ongoing wildfires remains a concern. It is important to monitor air quality, especially if you have respiratory issues such as asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. On days when smoke levels are high, outdoor activities may be restricted to protect your health. 2. Healthcare, a busy hospital system. Another critical aspect of living in Red Deer is the healthcare facilities available to residents. The Red Deer Regional Hospital is the largest acute care center outside of Edmonton and Calgary. It serves a population of approximately 100,000 within the city and an additional 500,000 in the surrounding central Alberta region. Given its size and the volume of patients, the hospital can be extremely busy. Wait times in the emergency department can reach several hours, especially during peak times. In some instances, patients may experience wait times of 10 to 14 hours. This situation has prompted discussions about the need for a hospital expansion, which is currently in the planning stages. A significant investment of $1.8 billion is set for the expansion of the Red Deer Hospital, which will add approximately 200 new beds and essential facilities such as a cardiac catheterization lab. However, this expansion is projected to take several years, with completion not expected until 2030 or 2031. For non-urgent medical issues, it may be worth considering smaller hospitals in nearby towns, such as Lacombe or Innisfail, where wait times can be significantly shorter. 3. Nightlife, a changing scene. If you are someone who enjoys a vibrant nightlife, it is essential to know that Red Deer has undergone significant changes in this area. Historically, the city had a lively nightlife scene, with numerous nightclubs and bars. However, the landscape has shifted dramatically in recent years. With the recent closure of long-standing venues like Billy Bob's and Bellini's, Red Deer currently has limited options for nightlife. While there are still some bars and breweries, the absence of nightclubs may be disappointing for those seeking a bustling nightlife experience. The community does have some promising venues, and there may be opportunities for new establishments to emerge. If you are an entrepreneur with an interest in nightlife, this could present a unique opportunity. 4. Housing market, inventory and prices. The housing market in Red Deer is another crucial consideration for prospective residents. Currently, the city is experiencing low housing inventory, with a reported 17% decrease compared to the previous year. This situation means that homes are selling quickly, often in under 2 months. Despite the low inventory, there has been a noted decrease in home sales and new listings, largely attributed to rising interest rates. Higher interest rates have made some buyers hesitant, leading to fewer new listings entering the market. However, this has also contributed to stable home prices, as demand remains strong due to an influx of new residents. While this situation may create challenges for buyers, it is important to approach the market with careful consideration. Understanding the dynamics at play can help you make informed decisions about home purchases. 5. Municipal taxes, an increasing concern. Finally, it is essential to address the issue of municipal taxes in Red Deer and the surrounding areas. Due to rising costs associated with inflation, residents may notice an increase in property taxes for 2023 and 2024. This trend is affecting many municipalities across Alberta, as they face rising expenses for services such as policing and infrastructure. While this may be a concern for current and prospective residents, it is worth noting that many people moving to Red Deer from provinces like British Columbia or Ontario find that they still experience a lower cost of living overall. Homeownership in Alberta often comes with significant savings compared to other regions, even with increasing taxes. What to consider before moving? As you contemplate your move to Red Deer, Alberta, it is crucial to weigh these factors carefully. Each aspect discussed, environmental conditions, healthcare availability, nightlife options, housing market dynamics, and municipal tax increases, plays a significant role in shaping your overall experience in the city. Environmental conditions, understanding the impact of seasonal changes and environmental issues, particularly related to air quality and weather patterns, will help you prepare for the challenges that may arise. This knowledge is particularly important for families with children or individuals with health concerns. Healthcare availability, access to quality healthcare is a priority for anyone considering relocation. The current state of the healthcare system in Red Deer, including wait times and ongoing expansions, will affect your peace of mind, especially in times of need. Nightlife options, if social activities and community engagement are important to you, the current nightlife scene in Red Deer might influence your decision. Knowing what to expect in terms of entertainment and social venues can help you gauge how well you might integrate into the local lifestyle. Housing market dynamics, the fluctuations in the housing market, including inventory levels and price stability, are critical factors to consider when planning your move. Understanding these dynamics will enable you to make informed choices regarding home purchases or rentals. Municipal tax increases. Finally, being aware of potential tax increases can help you budget effectively and anticipate future expenses, ensuring that you are financially prepared for your new life in Red Deer. In conclusion, gathering detailed information about these elements allows you to make a more informed decision about relocating to Red Deer. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights about living in Alberta. We encourage you to share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below, as your feedback is invaluable in helping us create relevant content for our audience. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will delve into additional aspects of life in Red Deer and beyond, providing you with even more resources for your relocation journey.